small turkey chicken is almost ready. What's up, guys? Welcome back to this special day. It is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hope you guys enjoying the day. Please don't forget to thank yourself, family, loved ones, everybody that you care for. It is a special day. I'm here from a very special location that every year has celebrations and fun. Fortunately, this year it is not, but we are here just to remember it either way. So I welcome you from the Rocky Steps. Yes, we are at the Art Museum here in Philadelphia. It is where every year they have a parade going on and a show with lots of performers, big inflatable balloons, and all the fun stuff. So yeah, it is unfortunate this year it's not here, but at least I'm still here. We are here to celebrate no matter what. Again, happy holidays, everybody. I will show you some great parts of the city. Of course, I'm gonna run a Rocky Steps because one, it's a great exercise. Two, it's a Philly tradition. So let's do it.
If you wonder where is our jackets, the weather is so beautiful. It's 62 degrees.
65.
65.
And it's the end of November. It's supposed to be freezing like every year, but this year it is good. This is how nice people are here in Philadelphia. A lady was just passing by giving donuts to random people. So thank you. This is how you thank people. Dunkin' Donuts.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Cheers. Donuts. Let me show you the city from a different perspective, right?
we do?
A chicken. We're only 2 people, so we're cooking a chicken this year. We're gonna stuff it with some garlic and onions for taste. We marinated it with lemon and a lot of spices. What do we got? We got some special Thanksgiving plates.
So we should have oil. Some oil over here.
Yeah, some oil so it doesn't stick. Alright, preheat the oven, cover it very well, cover from the side also. And we'll be back in an hour or an hour and a half. We have freshly cooked chickpeas, make it hummus. And our small turkey chicken is almost ready. Just the final touches on the top. Of God, let's eat. Let's eat our turkey. Well, just a chicken. Wow, look at this. Comes apart. Half for me, half for you. Potato, butternut squash, hummus, rice, and more soup and salad. We are thankful for all this great food. Thank you, God. Thank you, environment. Thank you, life. And hopefully everybody will get the chance to be able to eat such great food and have such a healthy life and live a grateful one. Thank you for you and everyone watching for your support as well. We appreciate you. So, after a good meal, it's time to walk a little bit, catch the sun before it sets. Here we are at the Delaware River front, next to the Bing Franklin Bridge. Feels like spring already, but you can see the leaves, it's fall. Ha ha ha. I decided to thank myself, right? So I bought the new DJI Mini 2 drone. This drone just came out. It's supposed to be better, more smooth, and have longer range. So 4K video. Fly it and see how it compares to the old footage I took at the art museum. So with this, Thanksgiving is almost over. The day's over. We'll get back to work tomorrow, but it's Black Friday. Got some online good deals. So if anybody is looking to save some money, it is the time. Alright? Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe down below if you haven't done so. Leave me a like if you like my drone shots. And see you next vlog.